Introducing Knox Plumbing. We're here to help take care of all your general plumbing repairs and installations, including toilets, taps, sinks, drain blockages cleared, and radiator repairs and relocation. We work hard to ensure you receive a service which is always a cut above the rest. We can help with shower installations and repairs, and we are a member of Guild of Master Craftsmen. We couple fantastic workmanship with real value for money. No call-out fees and no job is too small. Customer satisfaction is always the highest priority. Knox Plumbing. For more information on the services that we supply and to see how we can help you, get in touch today.